Hi friends, so here is a quick tutorial on how you can deploy a token on BeraChain Testnet. So to get started, we are going to be deploying our token on Merkle, and you are going to paste the link to Merkle in your search bar. I am going to pin the link in the comment section for your convenience. Now you have two options here, ERC20 and basic contract. You are going to choose the ERC20 token instead. And in the slot for network, where you can see scroll right there, you're going to tap on it, then scroll to the very bottom of the list, and then you are going to see BeraChain logo. Tap on BeraChain. Now you're going to enter the name of the token that you want to deploy and then the symbol. So let's assume that my token name is Airdrop Spot. Then I'll also choose a symbol. Just choose random letters from the name of your token. So let me use ADS as my symbol. And then you're going to tap on deploy. So by choosing the ERC20 option, not only are you deploying a smart contract, but you're also deploying your own token. And then by choosing the interact option later, you're also going to interact with the token that you have deployed. Now you need gas fee on BeraChain to be able to deploy your token, and if you want to know how to get your gas fee and how to do the previous actions on BeraChain, I'm going to put the link to our previous video in the comment section so that you can go and watch it before you watch this one. So now we have finished deploying our token, and here we have the options to interact with our tokens. You can mint more tokens by tapping on the mint button. You can burn more tokens and then indicate the quantity that you want to burn by tapping on the quantity and then tapping on burn. We all know what it means to burn a token in cryptocurrency. Okay, so I want to mint 10 more. When I deployed this token earlier, I had 10 ADS. Now I want to mint 10 more, and I want to burn 3. Okay, and then lastly, I also want to transfer some of these tokens to another wallet. These are just ways to interact with the tokens that you have deployed. So enter the amount that you would like to transfer to another wallet and then paste the wallet address here. So I want to transfer 7. I am minting 10 more tokens, I am burning 3, and I want to transfer 7. Then I'll tap on send. Then I am going to be interacting with these 3 buttons one after the other. I am going to start with the mint one first. I have already done that, and then I have confirmed that in my wallet. So next I'll tap on burn so that it can burn 3 out of the token balance that I have. I'll also confirm that in my wallet. Now, if you want to see which of your transactions are successful, you will see them in last transaction at the very bottom of your screen. When a transaction is successful, it will be displayed right there. None of the ones we have done so far is successful yet. When it does, you'll see it here. Now lastly, I'm going to send 7 tokens to another wallet address, so I'll tap on send. Now you can see that our first interaction is successful, that is minting of 10 new tokens. Confirm sending of token to another wallet. You can see the first interaction here, minted 10 ADS, that is successful. Our second interaction is successful, you can see burned 3 ADS. And then lastly, our third interaction sent 7 ADS. So every interaction that we did here is successful. Now, by watching this video, you would be able to deploy your own smart contract, deploy a token, and also interact with your token. If you want to still come back and interact with your token, go back to the home page and then choose the interact options. And then you can see all of these options available for you to interact with again. So that is the end of today's video. If you have questions, drop me a comment under the comment section of this video, and if you have found value in any of my contents, make sure to give me a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss out on any update. If you are wondering how you can get gas fee in order to complete this task, make sure that you watch the previous video on BeraChain Testnet. I will have the link pinned in the comment section for your convenience. So make sure that you do that one first before you even bother to deploy a token on BeraChain. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another tutorial.